You might see us begging on the side of the beach for a couple days.
What? Why?
Very. Such a big baby.
Like,
Subscribe.
click the bell, please.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
So there is a boat that comes directly to WhiteBeach, but it only comes once in a while, usually like Fridays and Saturdays, supposedly. We were trying to get the information about this boat. We wanted to go back on this one Monday because it leaves right from the beach. But the lady, or the girl at the hotel said that it doesn't come all the time, it doesn't come every day. And it's kind of dependent on like scheduling, I guess, or like mostly like when people come, because it seems vacant here most of the week. So for Saturday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, this boat seems to run, but not always. You can check out the number on the side if you're interested. That might be an option for coming right to WhiteBeach. But it is a bigger boat, definitely bigger than the boat we brought over. The boat we came over on is probably something like that size right there. That's another boat that's coming right to the beach. So again, we don't see these all week while we're here. We only see it on Saturday. Today's Saturday. And this guy seems to be doing the corralling, putting them in a little staging area. They're gonna make them pay some money before they let them get off the boat.
So every for this morning, we saw two boats coming in this WhiteBeach, and I think it's only Saturdays.
Move back, get the good scenery.
Huh?
Get the scenery. Look at the parachute coming in.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, this is the third boat.
Third boat?
Third.
Yeah, this is the third boat since this morning as we saw it. So maybe there's no. So tonight will be crowded, so I hope we have a better nightlife. So it's like we don't own this dog, but he's walking with us through the edge of there in the beach here in WhiteBeach. But I think someone owns him, but he walked with us, so it's just cute. Some puppy drama.
I know, puppy drama.
Puppy drama.
Hey, good morning. So we found out that there's a typhoon going on, like a smaller one. Our hotel doesn't really have TV, so you can only watch TV, local news. So we're kind of tracking on the internet. We knew there was this typhoon somewhere, but that's the reason we've been having horrible weather the past week or so. Slow moving, lots of rain, cloudy, rain off and on for the past like 2 weeks almost. Anyway, so it rained last night a little bit. We're hoping we have a ferry tomorrow back to Manila, so we're gonna see if it goes. We're hoping to get the tickets and everything today. We already paid for them, we just haven't got the actual ticket, but there's been a lot of questions about whether or not the ferry's going, so we'll see.
Why is so serious, puppy? I don't know. Maybe I know how to play this one.
Ultimate Frisbee's fun.
Huh?
Ultimate Frisbee's fun. Yeah, so the typhoon is kicking a little bit. The wind's been blowing. Knocked over some signs downstairs. We're at Casamia. It's the owner.
The waves.
Yeah.
This is different from this morning.
Yeah, the waves are bigger. Wind's kicking more. Yeah. Yeah, there's like a little mini cyclone rolling down the beach. It flipped one of the floaty toys away. Wait, take a picture. Waves are kicking. So what's the name of the typhoon?
Ordoha.
Typhoon Ordoha.
Yes, it's the typhoon, and we're stuck in Puerto Galera because there's no ferry boat going back to Manila.
Yeah, so they're saying we might not have a ferry boat tomorrow. We're still checking on that all the time, but we don't know. And the other thing is we took out pesos, but we're down to like the last 3,000, 4,000 pesos. So if it's stuck here for a while, we might have to wait and take a tricycle up to Puerto Galera to go to the ATM to get money out. Because we were expecting to be back in Manila, so we didn't take out an extra trunk of money. So yeah, so it's all kinds of screwed up now. So we'll see. You might see us begging on the side of the beach for a couple days.
What? So we're here in Puerto Galera, and we are suffering for typhoon here. It's the Ordoha typhoon, and they said that there is no boat going to Manila tomorrow or today. So we're stuck here for maybe 1 day more, and so we don't know yet about the schedule of the ferry boat, but the front desk will inform us everything. So I hope so. We have tickets tomorrow, and then we can go back to Manila now. So we're out of money. We're out of money because we thought that we are going to go back to Manila tomorrow, but hopefully it is. So I don't know. So I hope so. And we're jacking around here with the waves, big waves. There's a lot of people, and so blah.
We'll see how it goes. I said we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Ah! Yeah, of course. Big wind gust.
Okay, so what do you call that? Sandstorm?
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. We're walking on the beach, and I experienced many times the sandstorm, and it's very, what you call, in my feet.
The sand blows super fast and hits your legs, and it's like little needles are sticking into your skin.
Yeah, and my baby foot is babies. It's no pain for me, so I turn around for. Na, let's go na ba?
Back. We're almost done.
Almost done. It's very far. Oh. Okay, let's go na. So that's how the cloudy is dark, and at the end of this mountain is dark over here, and it starts raining over there. Anong klase isda yan, te? Ay, kuya. Anong klase isda yan?
Okay, so we're doing the duffel bag drag. We are going to have to jump this water. We're both dressed for the bus. Or for the bus. Yeah, we got to go down to that ferry over there. We have to jump this water. Baby, drop your bags and I'll throw them over to you. Like, come down over here. Yeah, you can jump that. Baby, just put your bag down. Take this off. I'll toss that over.
Sure.
Watch.
Hey! No.
What? Oh.
Don't throw it.
Here.
Throwing my bag.
Throw it. It's fine. Oh, yeah, I'll give you that. Take that one. I'll just truck this one. Wait, Bill, watch out.
Why?
Very easy. Very easy. Okay, jump.
No problem, sir. Sir, I will carry.
Carry her. Yeah, she's very light. Such a big baby. My God. Okay, here I go. Very easy. Okay. The mad rush for the boats. So there are two, so there is enough. They all kind of showed up this morning. There were 3 hanging out. Looks like one already left. Huh? Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Thank you.
Take the bus. because we made it today.
No, this is it. That's the boat that saved us from very extreme close-ups. Okay, so we just got off the boat. Now we're gonna try and find a bus. The taxi offer is 2,500 pesos for a taxi right into Makati. We're looking for a bus, which is about a third, quite a bit less.
So they said it's this is where we go off from Buendia before. So now we're going to find Buendia bus. No air conditioning. Kuya, may ano pa diretsong ano Makati? Wala.
Ito, meron blue bus.
Ay, ito yun?
Oo, blue bus. May kasama ka?
Buendia.
We might not be going for a while.
Ay, butiki.
Makati?
Yeah.
Where in Makati?
She's got an address.
Di ba ba? Bakit?
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy trying to get out of here now. So we just got off the bus, grabbed the thing. Some dude's gonna try and find us a taxi. And we're in the rain. Baby, get your pesos ready. Yeah, we need a taxi. You have a taxi?